What's up, YouTube? My name's Chance. The channel is Chance Bishop's Breaks, and today we have ourselves a display case here of mini tins for the brand new Friends of Paldea, mini tin collection for the Pokemon Scarlet and Violet TCG, the newest of the Pokemon TCG sets that are out. Now that the Crown Zenith has completed, at least for now. There's no new sets listed coming out, or no new boxes listed coming out for Crown Zenith. Come on. It's very tight right here. There we go. So let's pop it out. Bend her over. Come on, it doesn't want to work with me. Come on, we can do it here. We can almost got it. We got it more or less. It's kind of in there. It's not really in there. I can't get it to push down all the way in the back. But the Friends of Paldea right here, each has 5. I guess there are 5 different arts you can get. We have Palmy right here. These are the same mini tins, the same style of mini tins as it was for the Crown Zenith mini tins. So taking a look here at the back, 2 TCG Pokemon booster packs, 1 sticker sheet, a Pokemon art card featuring the thing on the front. So Palmy right there. So we're going to open, each art up one at a time. So the Palmy right here is the first of the arts. So we have our little art card, our sticker sheet. That's the art card. One's the art card, one's the, that's the sticker. 2 packs here of Scarlet and Violet, and that contains what each tin has in it. That's loud, so I apologize. Trying to put there we go. So that goes more or less on. We have Capsakid right here. Capsakid and Pikachu, technically. The last one was Lechonk and Palmy. They were on the art there. So Capsakid and Pikachu. There is our sticker card and our art card. And our 2 packs of Scarlet and Violet. So you like to see that right there. So each box contains 5 different arts. So we've seen those 2 already. We have Fuecoco and Smoliv. You gotta love me some Fuecoco. Fuecoco being my favorite starter of the Paldea trio. You got Quaxley, Fuecoco, and Sprigatito. Fuecoco, definitely my favorite. Our art card and our sticker. Ooh, we have 1 Scarlet and Violet, 1 Silver Tempest. Alright, strange there. We got the silver. Does each one have a silver? Okay, each one has a Silver Tempest. Alright, I didn't realize that at first, that each one came with a Scarlet and Violet and a Silver Tempest. So not what I was expecting, honestly. I was expecting each to be 2 Scarlet and Violets. I wasn't paying attention, in that first pack when I opened them up. Here we have the Sprigatito. So, Sprigatito, and that's not Doshbun, that's the other one. That's the pre-evolution of Doshbun right there. 2 packs, our empty tin. And then we have Sprigatito, Fuecoco, and then we have a Quaxley right here at the end. Last but not least, Quaxley. To be honest, I'm a bit of a stickler. I don't like that they made each row. They didn't make each row just 1 set of 5. That's just my personal ADHD kicking in. Not liking that, but I guess at the end of the day, it is what it is. So our 2 packs, 1 of Silver Tempest, 1 of Scarlet and Violet. So there is that. Those are all 5 of the tins right there. We do have 5 more tins we are going to open up. So I am going to speed up the recording from right now. So give me 2 seconds. Alright, so here we go. We have our 20 packs separated. We have 10 packs of Pokemon Silver Tempest. And 10 packs of Pokemon Scarlet and Violet. So, we're going to be opening up these Silver Tempest packs first. I believe... Oh, what is Silver Tempest? Is Silver Tempest the Lugia? I think Silver Tempest is the Lugia all art, if I remember correctly. But there is a very rare, very small chance that ooh, Vulpix V. So full art Vulpix right there. First pull of the box. I've misplaced my sleeves already. Oh boy, professional pack opener. There they are. They were about 4 inches away from where I normally put my sleeves. So Silver Tempest, Vulpix right there. Second pack of Silver Tempest. Here we go. We have a white code card. So I believe white code cards, and this means nothing's guaranteed. Unless we're looking for like a trainer gallery. And yeah, Hisuian Braviary. So yeah, black code cards are bangers. White code cards are nothing special. So let's see. Honestly, let's see if the Friends of Paldea tin box right here, tin case, Articuno, and Cobalion. Yeah, our Friends of Paldea mini tin case, display case. So hopefully it comes out just as well as our Crown Zenith mini tin case was. Because that was a fun one. That's actually my most viewed video on my channel. Honchkrow and Braviary's back. But I believe the Crown Zenith is about 4.5 thousand views, which I guess in the grand scheme of things, when it comes to very big card opening channels, you know, Leonhardt, Phil's Pulls, and, you know, Card Collector 2, stuff like that, people who have a really big following. Hello? Are we stuck? I think we're stuck here. Alright, am I missing something? That's like a thick Pokemon card, maybe? Yeah. And oh! There you go. Big stuck card right there. Gold Lugia V-Star pull. That's what you like to see. You don't like that it gets stuck, but a gold Lugia. Dude, big gold Lugia pull right there. That's an awesome pull right there. We got the full art Vulpix, the gold Lugia. Yeah, this is definitely the all art Lugia set. So come on. We haven't pulled the alt art Lugia. I mean, we pulled a lot of the alt arts, like the big alt arts from different sets. Did not pull the one from Silver Tempest. We didn't also get the big one from Crown Zenith either, the gold Giratina, but that can all change right here, in which we can have ourselves, hopefully, Feebas and a Dragapult. I'm not saying Dragapult's not a good pull. I'm just saying it's not what we're looking for right there from a black code card. Alright, so there goes that pack. Back to the white code card. I've yet to get a trainer gallery out of this set. So kind of head scratching right there where those have been. Indeedee and Delphox. 2 packs left here of Silver Tempest. Let's get into these last 2 before we move on to the Scarlet and Violet packs. Alright, here we go. Relicanth, Hawlucha, Lilligant, and a Lugia V-Star. There you go, Lugia V-Star right there. So we pulled a lot of Lugias. So we got 1 pack of Silver Tempest left. Let's get the Lugia All Art. So then I have a full deck of Lugias. You know, I have the Gold V-Star. I have the normal V-Star. Oh, it's a black code card. All Art Lugia. Here we come, baby. Alright, come on. Go into the back of this pack. Fletchinder and a Gold Superior. Oh, baby, that is our second Gold Secret Rare here of the box. I guess of the case. Mini display case? Yeah, so 2 Gold Secret Rares out of the Silver Tempest packs right there. Absolutely insane. We haven't even gotten to our Scarlet and Violet packs. We have 10 packs of Scarlet and Violet. So hopefully we get some trainer galleries in this one. Technically, they're not trainer galleries anymore. They're illustration rares. So we're looking for the All Art illustration rare, Pokeball and Professor's Research. The big one for this being the Miraidon and the Koraidon. There is a couple of, like a normal illustration rares I'm still looking for. The Sandile is definitely the big one I'm looking for. I mean, it's not an expensive card. It's only like a $9 card, but still not the same if you don't pull it. So, nothing through our first 2 packs of Scarlet and Violet. So here we go, pack number 3. I just did the 4-card trick. I'm fighting myself not doing the 4-card trick on these ones. And Indeedee is this one. I believe there's also a Penny All Art illustration rare, like an illustration ultra rare All Art. So we're looking for that one. You know, Penny, very popular character from the Scarlet and Violet game. So hoping to pull that one. Magnemite, Chansey, and Palmont right there. So right now we're being a little high and dry on these Scarlet and Violet packs. A little unfortunate on these packs right now. This is pack number 4? This is pack number 5. Pack number 5 here of Scarlet and Violet. Ultra Bell, Doville, and an Armarouge. It's got some peeling foil there on the Armarouge. So, holo rares guaranteed per packs, cool and all. But that kind of takes down the excitement of them being the hit if you're guaranteed one every pack. Now, here we go. Moving this around to the front, our Leaf Energy. As we go through this, Wattrel and Dondozo. Down to our final 4 packs here of Scarlet and Violet. We're looking for some All Arts. We're looking for some illustration rares. Anything, honestly, at this point is better than what we've gotten so far out of Scarlet and Violet. Oh, we got a gold card in the back, Tandem Mouse, and a gold Basic Energy. There you go, Basic Energy gold right there. 257 of 198, the gold Electric Energy pull. So there you go. We are on the board now for Scarlet and Violet, at least. With 3 packs left, hopefully These last 3 packs are where the best cards are sitting. Yeah, I understand you can't have every pack be a banger, but still, we gotta go through this and hopefully find something. Not Skeledirge. Not Skeledirge. I love me some Skeledirge. But in our final 2 packs here, come on. We need... No, we need to get it. We need to get some sort of all art, an illustration rare, something here. Come on, we can do it. Alright, Mankey. We have the same card back-to-back. Sandile and a Quackavolt. Alright, final pack right here of Scarlet and Violet. Looking for the Miraidon, the Koraidon, the Sandile. Come on. I caught me a shiny Sandile in Pokemon Violet. Or Scarlet, I don't play Violet. Scarlet. I named it Lyle Crocodile. Come on, last pack here, and a Spidops full art. There you go, full art Spidops right there. So only 2 pulls out of the 10 packs there. But overall, not a bad opening, if you want to say so. So first, I'll start the Silver Tempest. We got ourselves 1 Holo Rare, the Dragapult. We have ourselves 1 Full Art V, the Alolan Vulpix V. We have ourselves 1 V-Star, the Lugia V-Star. We have 2 Gold Secret Rares. We have the Superior V-Star and the Lugia V-Stars. That completes our Silver Tempest pulls. And now out of Scarlet and Violet, we have ourselves the Full Art Spidops EX, as well as the Gold Lightning Energy. So 3 gold cards pulled in 20 packs. Not too bad right there. But if you guys enjoyed this opening, hit that like button, comment down below. And until next time, YouTube, though, peace out, rock on, stay super classy. I'll catch you on the next opening. Peace.